Guys, I really appreciate you coming over and checking out this PowerPoint presentation I want to give you. It's not going to take a lot of your time, but I just wanted, first of all, thank you for coming over and wanting to listen to this, because I think you're going to get some value added out of this, and it's going to clear up some misconceptions about life insurance in general. And I think it's going to help you make a decision if you decide to purchase life insurance, or if you already have life insurance, maybe it's something that you want to reevaluate. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to talk about the 3 things the life insurance companies don't want you to know. Now, we're not going to waste a lot of time here. We're going to get into it deep and dirty here. So let's get started. Number 1. The insurance companies are betting on you to live. Okay, they want you to live. They're not wanting you to, buy life insurance and immediately die. So it's pretty much simple, folks. If you buy a life insurance policy, you come back and you die the next day, hey, the insurance company is out of $50, $100, $200,000 or more. Okay, so without you even, paying really into the premium. So the insurance company is actually taking a risk by, insuring you. So they don't want you to die. I promise you, they don't want you to pass away. So those who have this misconception that, hey, if I buy life insurance, all of a sudden the life insurance company is sitting back cheering and waiting on me to die, that is not the case. That's one reason why the younger you are, the less expensive life insurance will cost. And that being is because you have a 78% chance of living to age 65. So they're betting that you make it and keep paying those premiums. And even if you pay those premiums from a young age to 65, it is still not going to add up to the amount of money that they're going to pay out for those death benefits in the long run. So you are the winner here, okay? Your family is the winner here, okay? So let's get that misconception out of the way. So let's go to number 2. Number 2. Don't buy life insurance online, people. You really need to go to a agent that sells life insurance, and that's what they do. That's what I do. Really care about it, can really sit down with you and talk about it. Now, the only thing you're going to do online is just throw in some statistics, and they're going to kick back a quote, and they're going to kick back a lowball quote. Why are they going to do that? Because they are providing the preferred health rate, and only 5% of individuals are even qualify for that rate, and they give that to everybody. So it's just like with anything, it's an enticement. They're enticing you with this low price to continue to inquire about insurance, okay, life insurance. So let's go to the final step here, final one. Number 3. On number 3, the insurance companies are not going to look for beneficiaries. Okay, that sounds pretty obvious, I know, but they're not going to look for your beneficiaries. I think the problem sometimes is that, and we're going to get into it here in the slide, that nobody tells anybody about they have a life insurance policy or where to find it when they pass away. And once you break it down, it's like this: 1 out of 600 life insurance policies go unclaimed, which reached $2.4 billion in unclaimed funds in 2011. And to compound that, why? Because, the beneficiary don't know the life insurance policy exists, okay? It's as simple as that. They don't even know the life insurance policy is even out there to even inquire about it, okay? So don't expect the insurance companies to do you any favors by looking for your beneficiaries. So you as a policyholder, you need to make sure that your life insurance policy is in a safe place, and you tell somebody, hey, something happens to me, this is where you go and you find my life insurance policy. Okay, and I know sometimes you don't want to tell the beneficiaries, and that's okay. No big deal, but you need to tell somebody. So those are the three things that life insurance companies don't want you to know. But I want to go into a couple of things that you need to know going forward, okay? When you're thinking about life insurance. Okay, so what is the first? What is, when someone passes away? What is the first question that comes out of anybody's mouth? The first question is, did they have life insurance? Okay, so you really, that's just like the first thing that comes out of somebody's mind or mouth when somebody passes away. Hey, did they have life insurance? So what if they don't have life insurance? Okay, what if I don't have life insurance? Well, let's talk about it for a second. Okay, so you are probably going to leave your family, okay, your loved ones, in financial devastation possibility, because you are, as all of us, we have debt. We leave debt behind. We have funeral expenses. So there's no money for final expenses. And to sum it up, and I know you guys see this on Facebook and you see it on YouTube, that GoFundMe is not a life insurance policy. Okay, so don't depend on GoFundMe. Do your family a favor. Go out and get some life insurance. Okay. Your widow may choose relationships out of necessity. Hey, do you want your spouse getting with some bum, okay, male or female, that they have to put up with because, they need security, okay, for lack of a better term. They just need security, and this person can provide that. They may not provide love, and they might not provide that caring, but just out of necessity. This is what happens when spouses are sometimes left without life insurance. So, do you care about your family's well-being? So that's a good question that you should ask yourself going forward. When you think about life insurance, do you really care about your family's well-being after you're gone, and how they're going to be? Now, hey, you can be selfish and say, hey, she gotta do what she gotta do, or he gotta do what he gotta do, but that's a very, very selfish take, and wish you just wouldn't have that particular mentality, because we pretty much waste money on whatever we want in life, and I think we should really evaluate our perspective and our priorities, and that just leads me to this. Just stop making excuses about life insurance. Well, I'm going to get ready to sum this up, but I want to give you a bonus factor here. And the bonus today I'm going to give you is this. All right, I have life insurance, okay? And I have life insurance at work, right? Okay, so good for you. You have life insurance at work. So how does that all fit into the puzzle? Well, you grouped in with everybody at work, and the young people help the old people, and they kind of counterbalance the premium that you pay for your life insurance. So you get that really, really low group rate cost, and you kind of get a sense of, hey, this is cool. This is, you get this false sense of this is what life insurance should be about. And what if you leave that job? So if you're terminated or what have you, that insurance is terminated. It can be terminated if you leave that job, you retire, or the company goes out of business. So you got to think about those things. You're left without any insurance. And so from there, you're going to look to pay higher rates, because now you're basically it's on you, and whatever your health status is, you've got to prove insurability. And then, worst case scenario, now you've lost 10, 15, 20 years older, and you're not going to get the lower rates, because you have aged. And read the fine print on your work life insurance policy, because sometimes these things have based on accidental death, okay, and it could be accidental death somewhere in with the company, or doing something for the company. So you need to really watch that when you signing the dotted line there, or you're taking up the company insurance. I need you to think of life insurance at work as secondary insurance, people. Please think of it like that. It's not your primary, because it's not going to last forever. And you need to have your own insurance and carry that throughout your life. Whether it's term or permanent insurance, you need something in there to help as far as paying final expenses and taking care of your family. Hey, would always, talk to an agent, get a little bit more clarity from them, or, you can always give me a call. And here's my information here. I sell life insurance. I've been doing it here for the last 5 years. And I really enjoy talking to people. I have policies myself. I have a variable universal life policy. I've had it for a long time. And personally, I've taken my insurance policies, used the cash value, and purchased rental property from those. So they have some benefits, and we'll go into that later. But I appreciate your time. I thank you. And if you have any questions, please give me a call. 937-738-3435, or you can even go 937-738-7480. Again, I appreciate you guys. Give me a shout, and I hope you really, really enjoyed this. Thank you.